Aloha! I am Coach Niko, and in this video I'm going to show you in a few easy steps how you can make a quick, simple, affordable, and healthy breakfast for the entire week. On the menu for this breakfast is Oats and Chia to-go jars. This breakfast is super filling and can keep you energized for your entire day. The ingredients you will need are raw oats, chia seeds, which are very affordable and can be purchased in bulk, frozen berries, cacao powder, cinnamon powder, and maple syrup or coconut nectar. You will also need your favorite plant milk. I will be using unsweetened soy. Sweetened plant milks contain too much sugar and kind of defeat the health purpose. The supplies you will need are reusable jars and lids, measuring cups, measuring spoons, and a funnel. Step 1. Add 1 cup of raw oats. I'm going to make 3 jars with the oats, and in the last 2 jars, I'm going to use a half a cup of chia seeds. Step 2. Add 1 to 1.5 cups of plant milk. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of cacao powder followed by 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, finished with 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. Step 4. Stir and shake. Step 5. Top with some frozen berries and place the jars in your refrigerator overnight. After a great morning jog and getting ready for my day, all I need to do is grab a jar and head out the door. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know in the comments below how your oats and chia to-go jars came out and what fruits that you used. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be notified the next time a Coach Niko video comes out. Until next time, wishing you a healthy, happy life. Aloha. Hey everyone, be sure to check out my new book, Surf, A Surfer's Bedtime Story, available on Amazon.